So as you guys can see right here, AI doesn't just analyze your data anymore, but it can actually write entire emails for you. Analyze your list, come up with your segments, write your entire promotions, and tell you exactly what to send next. If you watched my last video, you saw me do something similar with ChatGPT, connecting it directly to my Omnisend account so it can read live data and act on it instead of me manually digging through dashboards. This is the same idea, but with Claude. And I wanted to make this video specifically because Claude is one of the biggest names in AI right now, and some of you might be wondering if it can do the same exact thing. The short answer is yes, but in some ways, what you just saw actually goes a step further than ChatGPT. It didn't just read my account and summarize it. It looked at what was working, identified the gap, and then wrote new marketing copy so I could actually fill that gap. And that's not just reporting back to you. That's AI actually doing the work for you. Here's how this all actually works. Omnisend has a built connector using something called MCP, or Model Context Protocol, that lets Claude securely read your live account data, your real campaigns, your real automations, and your real revenue numbers. Claude has access to all of this in real time without exporting CSV files, copying, pasting data, or switching between tabs. And one more thing worth knowing, Omnisend's official Claude connector is coming soon directly inside Claude's connector marketplace. Right now, what I'm using is the custom connector setup, which takes about 2 minutes and works the exact same way. I'll show you how to do all of this in just a moment, but I want to start by explaining why Claude is the right tool for this job. Claude has a real reputation around careful reasoning, actually thinking through a problem rather than just giving you the fastest answer. And when you're talking about handing over access to real marketing data, real revenue numbers, and having it draft your content, that carefulness actually matters because your email marketing decisions aren't trivial. If an AI tool tells you to kill an automation that's actually working or recommends a segment that doesn't make sense for your list, that's a real cost. So the model that's doing this needs to be the one that's reasoning through your specific data rather than pattern matching to generic marketing advice. And one thing that Omnisend makes clear during this setup, and this is very important, is that this works best with an advanced or a thinking model, not the fast, lightweight version. Once you guys have got this all set up yourself, make sure you have the right models selected in Claude, because a faster model can give you incomplete, even inaccurate answers, even when everything is already set up properly. All right, let me show you how to set all of this up. And setting all of this up takes about 2 minutes. So to start, you guys are gonna open up Claude. On the left-hand side, click Customize, go to Connectors, click the plus button, and select Add Custom Connector. Now right here, you just need to type in 2 things. For the name, you're just gonna put Omnisend, and for the URL, this is the important part, you guys wanna enter exactly this. This is just Omnisend's MCP URL. I'll leave a link for this down below as well. Click Add, and now select the Omnisend connector you just created and click Connect. This will redirect you to Omnisend's own authorization page. You guys want to log in with your Omnisend account. You'll need admin access for this and approve the permissions that it's asking for. And that's it. You're connected. One more thing before we start, make sure you've got an advanced or thinking model selected in Claude. Now that we're connected, let's put it to work. So the first thing I always want to do with a new connection is get oriented. So let's see what Claude actually knows. So I'll say, give me a snapshot of my Omnisend account, how many contacts I have, my subscriber growth trend, and when my last campaign was sent. So it's going to use the Omnisend connector to pull up all of my live data. And there it is, total contacts, growth trend, last campaign date, all pulled live from my actual account. Now let's go a level deeper with this. This time I'll say run a full health check on my account, score me out of 100 across campaign cadence, automation coverage, and product catalog completeness. Then tell me the top 3 things I need to fix first. And as you guys can see right here, it's gonna give me a full breakdown of everything I just asked for. It's gonna give me that score out of 100, identify exactly what my account is lacking, and give me the top 3 things I need to go ahead and fix. Starting with this right here. This is the kind of audit that would take a consultant real time to put together manually. Not to mention, it would cost thousands of dollars from an agency. Claude is reading my actual account data and giving me a scored breakdown with specific action items. Not just generic advice, but specific to what it's actually seeing in my data. And this right here is incredibly useful. Now let's see what's actually making us money. So this time I'll say, what were my top 5 email campaigns by revenue in the last 30 days? Include open rate, click rate, and unsubscribes for each. So we'll go ahead and let Claude pull up all of our account data and sort everything for us. And it's gonna give us a ranked list and all the key metrics in just one view. This is incredibly useful. And like we asked it for, it's gonna show the open rate, the click rate, and all of the unsubscribes for each one. So based on the data, these are our top 5 email campaigns over the last month. Now here's where I wanna push this a bit further. I'll say, based on this, what's one thing I should focus on this week to improve email revenue? So it's gonna pull up all of my account data and give me a relevant to-do list. One question, one clear answer. And that's the difference between a dashboard and an assistant. A dashboard shows you the numbers. This is actually telling me what to do about them. So as you guys can see right here, it gave me a full breakdown of everything I need to do this week in order to improve my email revenue. And these are actually some solid suggestions. These are things I wouldn't have thought of before. So this next one is probably the highest value prompt in this entire video, especially if you've had automations running for some time now and never actually dug inside them to see which messages are actually working. So I'll ask Claude, which of my automations made the most money in the last 30 days? For my top 3, break down which individual message inside each one is doing the heavy lifting and which ones aren't pulling their weight. So I'll let it analyze all of my data and come up with a solid game plan right here. Because most store owners know that they have a welcome series and an abandoned cart flow running, but almost nobody has actually broken down which specific message inside those flows is converting and which ones people are just skipping past. So take a look at this. It's flagging the specific message inside of my flows that's getting opens but not converting. That's a real specific actionable insight. And all of this used to require pulling up reports and cross-referencing data manually. Now it's one prompt. So a connection like this will save you tens of thousands of dollars down the line because now you don't have to outsource your email marketing or work with agencies, but you can just have the AI tools you're already using every single day, read your data and come up with your promotions for you. Now let's talk about segmentation, because this is what separates stores doing decent revenue with email from stores that are doing amazing with email marketing. Most people blast their entire list with the same message, but let's see what Claude recommends based on my actual contact data. So this time I'll ask it to analyze my contact list, purchase history, and engagement data. Recommend 3 high impact segments I should create to improve revenue and explain why each one matters. So I'll let it analyze my account's data and come up with a solid game plan. So here's the 3 segments that it's actually recommending for me. And these aren't generic suggestions like create a VIP segment. These are based on what's actually sitting in my list right now. Real purchase patterns, and real engagement behavior. That's the difference between advice and actual analysis. Now this next part is where I want to spend the most time on because it answers the most important question in this entire video. Can I let Claude handle all of my email marketing? Not just reading my data, but actually doing the work for me. Let's find out. So this time I'll say, based on everything you know about my account, write a complete email campaign that I could send this week to recover revenue from my lower performing segment. Give me a subject line, preview text, and full email body. So I'll definitely give Claude some time on this one to go ahead and analyze my data and come up with a good solid answer. Because look what it's doing right here. It's not writing generic email copy. It's pulling context from everything we just looked at. The segment data, the automation performance, the campaign history, and now it's using that to write something specific to my actual account and my actual customers. Wow, so I'm loving this already. It came up with a really good subject line. The structure of the actual email is perfect for my account, and it gave us a really good call to action that doesn't feel too salesy. Is this exactly what I'd send without any edits? Honestly, probably not word for word, but as a starting draft, informed by real account data and written in under a minute, this would have taken 30 to 45 minutes to do myself, and it's already most of the way there. So in just a couple of minutes, I have a solid email campaign that I can send to my list this week. And I didn't even have to leave Claude. I did all of this from the AI tool I'm already using every single day. So here's my honest answer to the question of would I actually let Claude handle all of my email marketing on its own? Honestly, not yet when it's fully unsupervised. And I think that's the right answer. The analysis side, account health, revenue breakdowns, automation audits, and segment recommendations, that I trust almost completely. The data is the data. And Claude reading it accurately and telling me what matters is something that I'd rely on every single week. And honestly, I already do for most of the brands that I'm running right now. The content generation side, actually writing the campaign, I think of that as a serious head start, but not the finished product. It got me 80% of the way there in under a minute. But I still want to read it, adjust the voice slightly, and make sure it sounds like my brand and not just a well-written generic email. That last 20% is still worth doing myself. But here's the thing. This is a massive time saver. Going from a blank page to a fully written email based on your data in under a minute, then spending 5 minutes polishing it instead of 45 minutes writing it from scratch, that's a serious advantage. This is also genuinely new. Omnisend's official Claude connector is coming pretty soon. What I just showed you is the custom connector, and it already works this good. I'd expect this to only get more capable from here. So if you want to try this out yourself, I'll leave a link for Omnisend down below. Once you're set up, connecting Claude takes about 2 minutes. You're just going to go into your settings, add that custom Omnisend connector, and you guys are ready to go. And let me know in the comments down below which AI tools you guys already use for your own business, whether that's ChatGPT, Claude, or anything else. I really want to know. And if you found any value in this video, be sure to leave a like, share it with others, and subscribe for more. I have a ton of helpful resources linked down below for you guys. Don't miss out on any of those. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.